up, people? This your boy Mike Lanham from Hot Atlanta. Another day. Oh, about to drop this load. I'm over here at this Papermill. So we about to go in here and drop this load. See what we got here. I'm on a scale right now. Oh, beautiful day outside once again. Feeling good today. Today is gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a very good day. I already know. Let's go. All right, so we checked in. Time to go get unloaded on that scale. Oh. Boy, the smell of boiling trash to make paper is not the best smell in the world. I tell you that every time I come here. I be like, man, it stink, boy. I mean, you could tell they burning or boiling. I don't know how they do it. I think they boil the recycled cardboard. They mush it up, all that stuff, and they get what they need from the cardboard, and then they make paper. So, but yeah, you got a business like this, you're never gonna go out of business. Everybody needs paper. So if you're gonna make it, hey, the demand will never go low on paper. And all these pipes and tanks and pipes after pipes. I be trying to figure out, like, what's going in all these pipes. Like, my goodness, there's so many of them. And all these tanks. It must take a lot to make some paper. Alright, so got the hair right over here. One of these docks. Looks like I'm the only one here. That's always good. You gotta wait. Alright. Back this thing on up. Getting that thing unloaded. Hey, right here. Right here. Oh, all of this wood. So we about to get unloaded. I'm about to pick another load. I got to do my 90-day inspection at the terminal, so I gotta head to Atlanta. So we about to pick a load that's gonna get me to Atlanta probably today or tomorrow. Do this 90-day. So they're loading me right now. Let's see what we got happening after this. Let's see. Yo. All right, so still headed to Georgia. Picked up this load at this place. I don't even know what it's called, but all I know is I'm hauling a bunch of pebbles or rocks, the rocks that they use if you like fixing up your garden or something. It's actually a heavy load. think I'm at 33,000 on the front and the back. But I had to wait for a minute. I think I was there for a couple of hours. And then finally got called in, and it only took them like a couple minutes to load me up. Yeah, I'm on about my way. I was trying to make it to Georgia, or at least Atlanta tonight, because I got to have an inspection on the truck. But my clock had ran down, so I know I'm not going to make it. So it's like, you know, I'm not going to drive if I know I'm going to stop or whatever. So shoot, I just went ahead and stopped. And I'm going to start driving in the morning. Drop this off in Adairsville, Georgia. Got to head to the terminal so they can do the inspection on the truck. When you lease a truck, you know, they do these 90-day inspections. Make sure everything's straight. You can like pass or fail it. I've passed all mine, so I'm straight. But after I do that 90-day, hopefully I can pick up a load and drop it off Saturday. I doubt it, but if I could pick up a load and drop it off the same day, get a load from the terminal and drop it off Saturday night, that'd be great. It just depends on how long it takes for them to look at the truck. Otherwise, you know, usually the loads don't be dropped off till Monday. There's a few dropping hooks that could drop off on a Sunday, which I'll probably do. But I'm here. I got the chicken in the slow cooker. Yesterday I had steak, really good. Today we got the slow cooker. Put that chicken in there this morning. And what I'm gonna do, I got Zatarain's. Got the Zatarain's bourbon chicken pasta. Booyah. About to be like extra good. So basically I'm a okay. Gonna get the freezer closed. So basically, I'm gonna give the chicken about another hour or two in the slow cooker. Chop it on up. Throw them noodles up in there. And we about to eat good. Like really good. But in the meantime, gotta get a few things straight. Here in the truck. It's a kind of a short video. I was kind of busy today, so I didn't get to record a whole lot like I wanted to. But that was my day today. Good day. Very good day. Ain't had no issues as y'all saw, except for waiting at the last place. I think I fixed my blanker problem on my own, cause my right trailer blanker's not working. Hey, move! Go sit. Not moving. I mean, not blinking. Played with the little plug a little bit. It's working now. Let's just hope it stays on. But other than that, man, follow me on Instagram. Make sure you subscribe to this video. I'm out, about to make this chicken. Go ahead and take me a nice hot shower. And I cut my hair yesterday. Ain't the best job in the whole world, you know. That Mount Everest is kind of still there, but I need a new set of clippers to edge with, because the ones I got now are kind of dull. That's probably why it looks like that. But hey, I saved 20 bucks, man. They overcharging at these barbershops nowadays. As long as my hair looks decent, hey, I'm good. All right, but y'all take it easy, man. Keep those wheels turning, because if them wheels ain't turning, you ain't earning. And I'm going to chat with y'all later. Peace.